Hello guys, welcome to uh, Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Taurus. So mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel natin, pa-subscribe na lang. Pa-comment ako sa baba kasi ma-appreciate ko yung comment kahit heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Ayan, and please do follow me din sa TikTok. May mga content ako doon na maaaring magustuhan mo rin. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. Friend ko yun ha, hindi po ako yun. Hindi ako yun. So anyway, let's start your reading, Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Taurus. You do have here the Knight of Arrows. And that is the Hawk. Okay, nakakaamoy ako ng tinola. This could be your reading. Yeah. Masarap siyang amoy. You do over the World 3, the Knight of Arrows, and the Six of Vessels. May reunion tayong nakikita with someone. Pero, parang nagkakapaan kayo kung sino ang magsisimula, sino ang dapat manguna, sino ang like this person is offering you something na parang yung iba sa inyo, yung iba kung hindi pa nangyayari yung offer, paparating pa lang si offer. It's like an offer of something na parang alangan ka na tanggapin itong offer na ito. But you know that this is something na protektado, that this is something na parang stable, this is something na parang magiging maganda ang resulta. Pero may pag-aalangan sa'yo, but you really want to accept the offer. May mga nakikita ka namang result. I can say reunion with you and this person, but ikaw yung parang naaalangan pa or hindi ka pa siya sure. Tell me more. For the sign of Taurus. Pag hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong kunin. Hindi para sa'yo ang reading. For the sign of Taurus. King of Stones, this is the Wolf. The Page of Vessels, this is the Otter. And the Four of Vessels is here. Five of Bows, and this is Empowerment. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Bows, Celebration. Hindi ko alam kung ano hinihintay mo eh. Yung iba sa inyo, you're just watching. Or inaalam mo pa itong person na ito kung anong intentions niya or what. Pero, or, I don't know. Hindi ko alam sa'yo. You're just watching this person eh. Pero yung nakikita natin yung person na ito, nagiging open naman siya sa'yo. Maybe sa communication, like hindi mo na, especially yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may spiritual connection. So, pwedeng nagiging open din siya regarding that spiritual connection or whatsoever. Pero ikaw ito na parang may pagdududa or hindi ka sure. Some of you, the energy is reversal. So, pwedeng siya yon or ikaw yon, no? But, the other, itong person na ito, siya yung lumalabas na parang maingay dito na parang nakikipag-connect, maybe nangungulit or what. The Five of Bows is here. And the Four of Vessels. I feel like you want something sa person na ito. May gusto kang May gusto kang something sa kanya. And what is that? The blasted oak. You want something to end here. May gusto kang mag-end dito sa person na ito. Tell me about this. The Green Man and the Five of Vessels. And the Hooded Man is at the bottom of the deck. This is showing us like the Death card, Scorpio energy. So may gusto ka talaga mag-end dito sa taong ito. Because this Five of Vessels, this is showing us the Star. This is showing us Aquarius energy. Kasi parang ang hirap niyang abutin sa ngayon, or ang hirap, like you really do like this person, gusto mo siya, pero parang ang hirap niyang ma-reach. The Green Man is here, so may gusto ko talagang matapos eh. It's just not clear kung ano yon, kasi the cards are not showing kung ano yung gustong mag-end dito sa person na to, but definitely an ending na parang gusto mo, and nakakainip, nakakapagod maghintay nitong ending na ito. Maybe this person gusto niyang mag-join ka sa kanila or sa kanya, be part of kung ano yung binubuo niya or family niya, whatever, but sa'yo, I don't like when others is around, parang ganyan. Ayoko pag may kasamang iba. Hindi ka naman nagpapakipot eh. The energy here is gusto mong masolo itong person na ito. Ano bang intention? Anong gusto ng person na ito sa'yo? Anong gusto niya mangyari? The Six of Stones. Some of you, kailangan kanya. Or, dalawa eh. Either kailangan kanya or gusto niyang i-share kung ano yung meron siya sa'yo. Like that. You have 7 of Vessels. So, itong person na ito, like gusto niya ng new beginning sa'yo, a day na parang I feel like naghintay siya, pero hindi ka naman dumating or hindi ka gumawa ng movement whatsoever. So gusto niya magkaroon ng growth. Sa ngayon, gusto niya magkaroon ng growth. And feeling niya, malaki yung maigo-grow niya or malaki yung maitutulong mo sa kanya. You know? This person wants to focus on developing his or herself, yung kanyang skills, knowledge, etc. Nakafocus siya dun. What is happening in the near future for you, Taurus? Near future, you do have the Guardian at the bottom of the deck. Tapos may lumabas dito, 3 of Arrows, the Archer, and the 2 of Bows. I mean, a lot of pain is here in the near future. This is like, see this energy. Like the Archer, marami ang mananakit sa'yo or lagi kang masasaktan. And of course, ayaw mong mangyari yon, but you have to make a decision two of balls, kailangan mo magdesisyon regarding something para hindi ka patuloy na masaktan. Kasi hanggat hindi mo ginagawa yung pagdedesisyon, masasaktan at masasaktan ka lang. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.